Alright, so here's the new one. I went ahead, and you'll see the video here in just a second, but all we had to do, switch this out, which they're just held on with 4 bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 here. Pop these covers off of the old one, and they go in. And then the handles, all I gotta do is pull them up, and then you'll see the adjustment screw or the tightening screws inside of them on the back side of the handle. It's a flathead. Just run it out and switch those over, and that's pretty much it. I'm gonna throw this on there real fast. Had to do it inside because it was pouring down rain outside too. So I'm gonna get it thrown back on, and it should be done. Cleaned up a little bit. Like I said, it's pouring down rain, so you have to forgive that. But you can remember, front end was all kinds of gapped up and goofed. Hood was misaligned. That was all scraped up. Fairing there was beat to death. I think it matched pretty close. And looks good to me. And you gotta remember too, that's been buffed, wet sanded and buffed. The rest of the truck, not so much. So, but all in all, turned out pretty good. The stickers, I didn't transfer those over, but if you wanted to, you could either buy new ones, or if you wanted to use the old one, you just use isopropyl alcohol, and it'll come off. And then this is the original step. It's just barely kinked from where it got hit, so it sits just a little higher, but I'm not going to buy a whole new step for that. Get you one from back here. And then the wheel and tire, got it replaced. So that's going to be about it. So we took it to the body shop. I think it was probably the last one that was similar to that. It was like $7,500, $8,000. And then the one before that had a guy back into this piece right here and push it in to replace that, or replace that cover, then inside right there, and they had to paint and blend that right there. Just that little bit was $24,000. Now the other dude's insurance paid for that, but it's just ridiculous. So I think all in all, did all the work myself. I think we probably got, I'll have to look, but somewhere right around $1,800, $1,900. Biggest expense other than the fairing itself was the paint. The paint was just ridiculously expensive. So, but that's it. Turned out good. It's pouring down rain, so I'm going to get out of this. Other than that, thanks for watching. I appreciate all the support. If there's anything else that anybody'd like to see, just let me know. I try to respond to every comment that I can, unless it's a troll, then I don't really care. But if there's anything I can do to help you out, just let me know. Shoot me an email. Again, thanks for watching.